Let's see what's happening with the commodities now. Manisha is with us in the studios. Manisha, good morning. Tell us, what are you tracking?
Well, I'm looking at the rubber prices, and they have continued to do well for the last couple of months, and we've started November on a positive note as well. At this point in time, we are trading at a one-month highs when it comes to the rubber prices, and it's not confined to a geography. We are looking at stronger rubber prices in the Indian markets, in US, in China, Japan, and the European Union as well. Well, that is because the data from China has been on the positive side. Remember, 45 of the global natural rubber consumption comes in from China, and the sentiment there seems to be improving. So whether it has been about the China industrial output or the retail sales numbers, both came in on the positive side. And then China also has reported record EV automotive sales in the month of October, and that does mean rubber consumption from the automobile industry in various forms that has been supportive. While the demand is stronger, the production clearly is not. Thailand, which produces nearly 30% of the global natural rubber, is looking at production down by 8 to 10% in 2023. Not just Thailand, the Malaysian production, if you look at on this month on an year-on-year basis, has seen a decline by nearly 15%. For the Indian rubber as an industry, for the production here, while initially there were concerns that we could be looking at lower production because Kerala was looking at a drought there, but now Indian natural rubber production is expected 5% on the higher side for the year 2023-24. India, remember, imported nearly 5 lakh tons of rubber in the previous year as well. So there is a mismatch in sense of demand supply, which the street is anticipating for this season as well. And you could be looking at higher imports continuing into the country. In the meanwhile, if you look at the data from the last year, the Indian consumption hit a record high at around 13.5 lakh tons. So the expectation is that with the demand improving, you could be looking at this number also being surpassed in 2023-24. There also is a global production and consumption data that we have, which anticipates that while the production will increase just about 2.5%, the consumption is expected to run up by 14.6%, clearly telling you that the kind of gains that we have seen in the raw material rubber are here to stay.
Okay, thanks very much. So rubber in focus, Manisha, thank you for joining us with that. Let's